So there are a couple of things that I want to discuss with you. There are a few studies that I've recently read and come across and that I found quite interesting. And at the end, I want to share with you one strategy and one finding that is particularly relevant, especially for me and also my coaching, and why you might not have to wait for a breakthrough pill or a magical treatment, but why you can already start something that is widely recommended and known. So let's get into the first of the different things and topics that I've researched. Recently, there has been an identification of objective biomarkers, meaning that like subtle changes in the eye or the facial response can indicate of how much distress someone is experiencing with tinnitus. And why is this so important? Because this is a major step towards giving scientists a more objective way to measure tinnitus progress and distress in clinical trials. So, they don't only rely on the TFI or the THI anymore, the functional index or the handicap index of seeing like how much does a person actually suffer from tinnitus. But there is now more objective criteria to see how much distress is someone who's suffering from tinnitus actually under.